Hello, this is me Rekha Sen on Swasviksha. Today we are going over which are the types of the multiple sclerosis and how you will diagnose the multiple sclerosis. So let's do it. Actually, these are the 4 types of multiple sclerosis based on the pattern of the symptoms over a time. See, this is the diagram which is time on x-axis, where times refer to the lifespan of the individuals and disabilities on y-axis. The most common pattern of the multiple sclerosis is called relapsing and remitting multiple sclerosis, or RRMS. This condition is what we just described, bouts of the autoimmune attacks happening months or even a year apart and causing an increase in the level of disabilities. For example, during attack, a person may lose some visions, but then it may be followed by improvement if there is a remyelination will be occur. More often, that remyelination process does not complete, so often some residual disabilities that remains, and which each attack more and more of the central nervous system get irreversibly damaged. In the relapsing remitting multiple sclerosis type, there are typically no increase in disability between bouts, so the line is stay flat during this time. Now, the second type is called secondary progressive multiple sclerosis, or SPMS, which initially similar to the relapsing remitting types, but over a time the immune attacks become constant, which cause steady progression of disabilities. The third type is primary progressive multiple sclerosis, or PPMS, which is basically one constant attack on myelin which causes steady progression of disability over a person's lifetime. Then the last type is progressive relapsing multiple sclerosis, or PRMS, which is also one constant attack, but this time there are bouts superimposed during which the disability increase even faster. Specific symptoms varying a lot from person to person and largely depend on the location of the plaques. And multiple sclerosis typically affect individuals between the age of 20 and 40. Symptoms related to bouts can typically worsen over a week and can linger for months without treatments. So, how you diagnose the multiple sclerosis? There is no specific test to identify the multiple sclerosis. It takes time. Neurologists assess various things. No one test is been here. Rules out patients related to other disease. As I discussed earlier, in MRIs shows numerous plaques in the white matter of the CNS. When we do the lumbar puncture, draw the CSF, immunoglobulins and oligoclonal band, which is the specific protein present in the CSF, means it suggests there is an inflammation in the CNS. Another diagnostic test, which is the evoke potential study, where checking the electrical signals to CNS and assess the response. So this is all about the types and diagnostic tests for the multiple sclerosis. So thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video and click on the red button so you will get notified and get access to other videos. And to connect with me, follow me on the Instagram, link in the description below.